Hello, people. Ashish is back with another video. So, recently I was having a word with a prospect, and that particular prospect want to see how Odoo can help him with the business. Basically, he's having a business of trading, buying, and selling. So, he is doing sales of laptops, particularly. So, when we talk about the laptops, or when I talk about his business in short, what he does is he purchases the laptops, he sells the laptops, and also what he does mainly is the service and repair. So whenever a laptop is sold, he should be knowing which laptop is sold and what's the serial number, as laptop as a asset. So serial number tracking is very much important for him, and also he want to know that if the laptop that is coming to his store for service or maybe repairs, is that particular laptop being sold from his store or not, and also is the warranty exist or not. Because sometimes what happens is the customer or user is not having any invoice or bill or with or something with them. So in that case it's very difficult to find if that particular product is still in warranty or not. I know you might be saying, oh hey Ashish, there are a lot of things that can be done as of now. You can even check from the company's website, maybe HP or Dell or whatever, but every time it's not possible. Let's be realistic, it's not possible every time, right? So what I have done is, and yeah, by the way, that particular guy wanted me to showcase how Odoo can help him. So there were a few things which Odoo cannot do by default or as an out of the box, but I have tweaked the system a little bit. So for these kind of business or use cases, right now I'm taking this demo for a laptop guy. You might can go with maybe vehicles, with mobiles, or whatever product which required tracking by serial number. Alrighty, then let us first of all start with the product. So here you can see I have created a product that is called laptop, and I have tracked this particular product by unique serial number. Here I have added a field, additional field called warranty. So how much months of warranty we need to give to this particular laptop, I have added it here. Now let me just again create a new field. So here you can see that field is not visible because I have added a condition. If your product is tracked by serial number, then and only this particular field will be visible. Also, if you want to increase or decrease the number of warranty that you want to give, you can absolutely do that. So right now I'm not creating any new product, I'll just go with my laptop only. Let me start with the purchase. I have already made a few purchases. Let me just again made one for you because I want to showcase you what are the different things that I have added along with few fields. So laptop, two numbers please, 1000, confirm order. I need to add serial numbers as this particular product is tracked by serial number. So 4 and 5, validate. Now let me show you the magic. Not this, 4 and 5, perfect. Traceability, serial number 4. So here you can find I have added three new fields, that is warranty start date, warranty end date, and warranty status. Right now this information is not appearing because I have added a condition there. I have added a condition in the system. Whenever my product is sold, at that time only I want the fields to be triggered. Means at that time only that particular days date will be added here, and from that date number of months will be auto calculated depending upon the number of months that you have added into the product in the field that I just showcased. Means this one, this field. Oops, this field. Okay, because that particular field is not available in that view, that's why. Anyways, let's ignore that. So this is what I'm talking about. Again, coming back to my product, sorry, my order. So we have received two quantities as of now, that is 4 and 5. And if I open this, you can see the date is, these data is not being triggered yet. So let us create a sales order to trigger those. quickly add products, laptop. Okay, now instead of this, I'll add my recently bought a product, that is 5. As we just saw, there is no any data added for this particular serial number. Now let us sell those. Validate 005. Fine. Let us open this. Now here you can see today's date, warranty start date, warranty end date. Warranty status is yes, it is currently in warranty because system is automatically calculating this date and your current date. So now this is case 1. For case 2, he told me most of his business is coming from the sales and repair side, so he's looking for something. He will just add the serial number and system will tell him if this particular product is currently under warranty or not. No need for bill and all those stuff. So I have used Odoo's repair app. So in this app, here you can see repair order. Let me just create a new one. Customer is okay, let me select this one. Product to repair is laptop. Lot and serial number is 5. Now I have added this one. Let me just quickly save this. By the way, I have added a field here, warranty status display. This is related field. So if I click on save, here you can see system is showing me this particular serial number is currently in warranty. And also this field is Odoo's default field. By using this field, if I am adding any of the spare part which is used to repair this particular laptop, system won't create or system won't charge anything to the customer. So this is a default field. So what I have done is, if my warranty status is in warranty, this field will be automatically get ticked, so that customer won't get charged. I have just to remove this manual thing as well. I have automated that. Now I can simply confirm this and start my usual process. So these are the basic changes that I have done into Odoo so that my test case can be fulfilled without any custom code, no any third party module, nothing, everything using SAS only. Now let me showcase the real engines which are working behind this, that is automation rules. So I have created 2 automation rules. One is to update the status of repair order, and second one to update those fields, to trigger those date and time fields which are added inside my lot and serial number. So I'll quickly just open those. And yes, one thing I have strictly added here is that is this domain. As we created a purchase order, system didn't trigger that particular date and time field. Why? Because I have added one domain here. That triggering should only be happen whenever we are doing whenever we are creating a delivery or a delivery is validated. That's why I have added this one. And here you can see, maybe you can take a screenshot. And as usual, if you want this code, just to let me know, I'll send it over LinkedIn DM. This is my model, so this is first one and this is the second one. As it I did code here, so if you want the code, just to let me know. So this is how one can track warranty in Odoo without any custom development. And this is the same thing I'm going to share with my prospect. I hope that prospect turns up. Stay tuned for such informative videos. Thank you.